Hello friends, 2010 Chevy Malibu. We're gonna be doing front brake pads and rotors. Okay, follow me. Okay, so we got the caliper bolts are gonna be 14 millimeters and the caliper bracket bolts are gonna be 15 millimeters. Okay, now we got our caliper bracket out. All right, we can take our rotor. See, it was pretty wear and rusty. Okay, now we're gonna clean a little bit, our hub and our caliper, the backing plate. All right, friends, this is how it looks. Okay, it's got new brake hardware, caliper pins, nice and lubricated. So now we're ready to install it. Okay, remember, first the rotor, then the caliper bracket. Now always lubricate the brake pads when you're putting them on. Okay, the contact part where it makes contact with the caliper. So you want to put a little tiny bit of brake lubricant right here, right here, right here. Don't put too much, just a little bit, just like that. Now we're gonna slide them in. Okay, now we're just gonna slide our caliper back in. Okay, friends, so you wanna make sure you didn't touch or put any grease on your rotor, and if you did, you just wanna wipe it out, make sure everything is nice and clean and looking good. All right, you always want your work to look good. All right, friends, that's it. There you have it. This is a 2010 Chevy Malibu. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any comments or questions on this car or this job, you can leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.